Hey guys, so today I figured we'd try out the Toho potato fries, fried chicken flavor chips. You have 4 sheets in here, but it's probably like 4,000 since they're kind of broken up. But you know, we're still gonna try them because a little broken chip never hurt anybody. They're kind of like, I don't want to say they're like Lay's, but very crispy. They do kind of have that, not 11 herbs and spices scent, but they do kind of smell like fried chicken. Let's see if they taste like it. Okay. They do. You know how whatever chicken, whatever kind of chicken you guys eat, that crunchy, we got a train coming. Okay. Like the crunchy skin, that's kind of what this tastes like. I mean, it's not bad. Honestly, it reminds me of Popeye's chicken skin. Like, that's just me. Like, it could remind somebody else of KFC or churches. But me, I'm a Popeyes person. I don't eat it often, but this kind of tastes like the crispy skin from Popeyes. I swear Japan, I cannot speak today. Japan has like so many new, like different flavors of like everything. It's crazy, but they make it work. Like they're not bad. They're pretty good. They're very crispy. They're very light. It's like I do not want to sound like a bad thing. Like they kind of smell greasy, but they're not. A little bit. It's a little bit greasy, but me and fried chicken is a little bit greasy. They're really not bad. Like not too salty, not very, not a whole lot of like powerful herb flavors, but it's like you taste the fried chicken flavor on it. Not bad. And for your calorie counters, they talk my mouth full. Okay. There are only like 62 calories in this thing, so nice, healthy snack, possibly. For a little tiny bag, for 4 sheets of potatoes, they're pretty good. Also, oh god, I think you can still taste the flavors. I don't think in case anybody want to try them, because, you know, I like to share some links with you guys in case y'all want to try them for yourselves. As you should, if you want. They're not bad. They're good. I have like so many more stuff to try too. And have more stuff coming. That could be interesting. I'm gonna finish this little bag and probably see you in the next video, which may or may not be the scorpion. Stay weird.